This is the first problem for for this afternoon's discussion, students. The 1,000 Newton force having a 60 degrees angle is a resultant of two forces. So, pasabot, kani si resultant, right? This is the resultant, and then on which is 600 Newton as shown, kani, in the figure, determine the other force. So, pasabot, na do ka force class, usa ka force ang gihatag, known siya, 600 Newton having a slope of 3 horizontal, 4 vertical. So, automatic, ang iyang hypotenuse side is 5. Then, naay usa ka unknown force class nga kung i-combine tong unknown force plus this force, mo result sila og resultant nga 1,000 Newton having an angle of 60 degrees. Now, as you can observe, duha siya ka-arrow, no? So, probably, kanipot siguro ang usa ka force. Although, wata kabalo. Kung kana ba siya? Now, to deal with this problem class, we all know that our resultant is at the second quadrant. Klaro man sa figure, right? Ang resultant is naa sa second quadrant. Di ba ang character sa second quadrant class? Negative x and positive y. Did you understand? Kasi component nga rx and ry. Denoting nga si rx to the left, ry upward. So expected diha nga ang atong rx class is negative and then ang atong ry is positive. Okay, so, di ba, resultant r is equals to the square root of rx squared plus ry squared, and then rx. That is simply summation of forces x. And then, makuha na to ang value ni rx because we have this 1,000 angle 60. Kabanday mo itong fx. Unsa man si fx? F cosine theta. So, kani class, if this is rx, that is r cosine theta. Did you understand that? Mura sa katong fx, component niya ba? Ang component nga fx, f cosine theta. Na kung si f class is mauni si r, 1,000 newtons, therefore the rx, that is r cosine theta. Ha? But take note, that is just negative lang siya. Value of rx class, this is negative 1,000 cosine of 60 degrees. This is the x component of the resultant r. So, anong nag-negative siya? It because the resultant falls on the second quadrant. Now, unsa may mga force mo act to the right? Kanina si component nga rightward, no? Si 600 cosine. This is 600 cosine. That is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, that is 3 over 5 plus the force 2 x component niya. So, give you the value of the force to x component. Hi mga ka-civilian. Pending that time. Negative 860 newtons. So, pasabot na class, ang component ni x force to, nag-negative man siya 860. So, pasabot, naa siya padulong sa left. And then, it's either at the second quadrant or at the third quadrant, no? Because the first quadrant of the second quadrant class, we all know that it is positive x. Intindi? Let's go to ry. Ry is equal to summation of forces y. Now, we all know that ry class is upward at the second quadrant. Positive na siya. Okay? That is 1,000 sine of the angle 60. 1,000 sine of 60 is equals to upward mo po ni 600 4 over 5 plus the unknown force to y component. Now, give you the value of the force to nga y component. 386 positive 0.03 newtons. And that simply says class nga ang atong force to di ay naa siya sa second quadrant sad, di ba? Kay negative x and negative y. But the question is, pila man di value ang nga force? So, to solve for that, force 2 is equals to the square root of force 2 x component squared plus force 2 y component squared. So, that is force 2 equals to the square root of negative 860 squared plus 386.03 squared. Now, pila may value ini ni F2? 942.67 newtons. Now, this is the answer class. And then, if ever we are required by the theta, that is theta equals to the arctangent of F2y over F2x. And that is theta is equals to the arctangent of 386.03 over negative 860. Pila yung value ni theta? Negative 24.17 degrees. 5 points. Simple.
Push Papa. Please.
For the second problem class, if we have given an angle of 30 degrees, the value of this one, mura sa diameter, no? For the diameter nga kanang notation, 30 degrees, and the resultant force acting on the plate is directed along the positive x-axis. Determine the magnitude of F2, this one, and the resultant force. Pila may resultant force ay ni karon. So, Yun sa man pag-solve. This is angle 30. Kani, automatic po ni, pila angle ni? 30 degrees na siya. Ang keyword for this problem class is kani nga statement resultant force acting on the plate is directed along the positive x-axis. That's the keyword sa kaning nga problem. Pasabot na class, ang resultant kuno aning three forces is naa din directed along. Naa din na atong resultant R. So automatic class, kung pila value ni R, mo po value ni Rx. Wala siya Ry. Ano mo siya Ry? It is directed along the x or positive x axis. So muna siya keyword So pwede ka class mag Ry equals summation of force y. And then we all know that Ry is wala. Zero si Ry. Kung sa may mga Ry din kani, naano si Ry. Kani pod. And then kani, isa, down. Right? So that is Ry is equals to 0. F1 y component plus F2 y component minus F3 dy component. Okay? So 0 is equals to Fy1. That is 4 sine, pwede ka mag-cosine 30 or sine 60. Pwede po ka mag-cosine 30. Gikan man diri ang angle. Plus F2y. F2y, that is F2 sine of 30 minus 5. Diri gikan ang angle, no? Gikan ang angle. So that is cosine and that is adjacent over height 3 over 5. Okay, give me the value of F2. Negative. Mag-negative kung kanyang gamiton. Minus di siya. Ay, sakto na. Mali. This is minus the class. So for this one, wala ko kabantay nga ang arrow day is paubos. Di malipat ha. So paubos mo ng arrow class. Let's try to change mo downward din siya and then it becomes minus 4 sine 60 and minus 5 then 3 over 5. Kanira ang positive si F2. Pila na yung value ni F2? Positive na siya. So the value is 12.93 kilonewtons. So this is the value of F2. And then to solve for the resultant class, since we don't have the value of Ry, stated man nga wala value si Ry kay acted along the positive x-axis man. Therefore, we could safely say that R is equals to Rx. Kung pila yung value ni Rx, automatic mo na yung value sa resultant. Do you understand? Simple. Okay, so Rx is equals to summation of force x and that is F1x minus gyapon ni siya, no? Kaya padulong dito plus F2x then plus F3x and then Rx is equals to F1x minus 4 cosine of 60 plus F2 nga 12.93 cosine of 30 plus 5. This is sine. Kaya gikan ring angle. Opposite over hypotenuse. So this is 4 over 5. So I'll give you the value of Rx. Pila? So 13.20 kilonewtons and this is automatically the value of our resultant and this is the answer. Another 5 points na siya. Hello my friend. Simple.